Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Apple reportedly plans paid subscription tier for next generation Siri features. Apple is exploring a new monetization strategy for its upcoming artificial intelligence capabilities, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman. While the standard version of the revamped Siri will roll out to all compatible device owners for free, Apple reportedly plans to lock its most advanced, contextually aware AI tasks behind a paid subscription model, tentatively referred to by insiders as Siri Premium. This subscription tier is expected to handle complex multi-step actions and deeper third-party application integration. The move aims to offset high cloud infrastructure costs and establish recurring services revenue. WhatsApp Web begins rolling out group voice and video calls. Meta has started rolling out group voice and video calling support on the web version of WhatsApp. Initially available to select beta testers, this update expands upon the browser-based individual calling feature introduced earlier this year. Eligible users will now see dedicated call icons at the top of group chat windows. Through to mobile and desktop versions, the web feature supports up to 32 participants per call and allows hosts to generate unique invitation links. All communications remain fully secure via end-to-end encryption via the Signal protocol. WhatsApp Google promotional material teases next Pixel drop. Update. Early promotional ads discovered on Amazon have revealed key features of Google's upcoming Pixel Drop software update. The leaked videos highlight the introduction of screen reactions for creators, a tool designed to enhance user engagement. Additionally, the promotional content showcases upcoming Gemini Omni-powered capabilities, including an advanced music generation feature that can transform creative text prompts into original audio tracks. While some Gemini Omni features are currently available to paid subscribers, their inclusion confirms deeper on-device integration. The update is expected to roll out to Pixel users shortly. Microsoft reportedly considers Xbox spin-off amid mounting financial pressures. Microsoft is weighing a corporate restructuring that could involve spinning off its Xbox gaming division into a separate public entity. The proposal follows consecutive quarterly losses, driven by massive development expenses and stagnant hardware sales. Under the considered plan, Microsoft would retain a majority stake while enabling the standalone brand to directly secure external funding. The strategy aims to safeguard core franchises, ensuring the financial viability of massive upcoming projects like The Elder Scrolls 6, next-generation Halo entries, and ongoing Fallout multimedia expansions. Oppo Reno 16 Pro global variant appears on Geekbench. The global edition of the Oppo Reno 16 Pro has surfaced on the Geekbench database under the model number CPH2863. The benchmarking platform reveals a strategic hardware shift compared to the Chinese edition, indicating that the international model will be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8 series processor, likely the Dimensity 8500 or 8550 instead of the Dimensity 9500S. The listing confirms the smartphone features 12 GB of RAM and runs the latest Android 16 operating system. Additionally, prior regulatory certifications suggest the device will support 80 watts fast charging. iQOO Neo 11 is surfaces on Geekbench and 3C certification sites. The upcoming iQOO Neo 11 IS has appeared on major regulatory platforms, revealing key technical specifications ahead of its launch. Spotted on Geekbench under the model number V2442A, the smartphone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset paired with 16 GB of RAM and runs on Android 16. Additionally, China's 3C certification database confirms that the device will support ultra-fast 120 watts wired charging. Rumored to feature a high refresh rate OLED display, the handset is positioned as a performance-oriented addition to iQOO's mid-range portfolio. Today's AI tool is Floor Plan AI. Instant text to layout generation. Floor Plan AI instantly transforms plain English descriptions into polished 2D, 2.5D, or 3D layouts in under a minute. Catering to homeowners and real estate teams, it outputs up to 4K resolution across 7 visual styles, including blueprints, watercolor, and photorealistic renders. The tool features 7 interior design presets like Scandinavian and industrial and handles image-to-image adaptations using up to 16 reference photos. Designed for rapid ideation and visual communication, so rather than formal construction documentation, it offers a tiered model featuring a free sign-up credit alongside Pro and Team subscriptions. Today, our lead story is about OnePlus N6 India launch officially confirmed for June 30th. OnePlus has announced that its first budget-focused N series smartphone, the OnePlus N6, will launch in India on June 30th at 12 p.m. IST. An official Amazon microsite has gone live, confirming the device will be sold through the e-commerce platform. Positioned below the Nord lineup, the N6 will target the sub 20,000 rupees segment to attract Gen Z consumers. Teaser images reveal a minimalist design with flat edges, a centered punch-hole camera, and dual rear camera rings stacked vertically. It will be available in mint green and dark gray options. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to upcharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.